XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, July 10. In today's XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, U.S. government backs XRP over SEC. Alright, let's get started. Senator Elizabeth Warren has sent a letter to SEC Chair Gary Gensler to request information about the regulator's authority to really regulate cryptocurrency exchanges like XRP and to determine if Congress needs to act to ensure that the SEC really has the proper authority to close existing gaps in regulation. Asking for a response by July 28, Senator Warren mentions the dangers to investors and consumers in this highly opaque and volatile market, especially now that trading volumes have skyrocketed. Coinbase, the largest exchange in the U.S., saw volumes exploding from $30 billion in Q1 2020 to more than tenfold in Q1 2021, even before going public. Now that Coinbase trades on the Nasdaq, it gives mainstream investors who may be wary of directly buying risky digital securities the ability to own stock in a Securities and Exchange Commission-approved business that facilitates the transactions. The senator then pointed out the regulatory gaps that allow for trading volume manipulation. 95% of the volume of trading of Bitcoin listed on CoinMarketCap is fake and/or non-economic in nature, according to a study, and issues with custody of assets. Cryptocurrency traded on exchanges is deposited and probably co-mingled with the deposits of others. It is not recorded on the blockchain, it is represented by an entry in an electronic, centralized ledger. It is uninsured and there is no guarantee the trader will get it. Traders must rely on trust, the intermediary. Additionally, because cryptocurrency exchanges lack the same type of regulation as traditional securities exchanges, they can also engage in practices like proprietary trading and wash trading to take advantage of their customers without sufficient disclosures, the U.S. Senator continued, pointing to a 2018 report that found nearly 20% of the executed volume on Coinbase was proprietary. The question Senator Warren sent to the SEC chair. 1. Do you believe that cryptocurrency exchanges like XRP are currently operating in a fair, orderly, and efficient manner? If not, what problems has the SEC identified that are associated with the use of these exchanges? 2. How do the characteristics of assets like XRP traded on cryptocurrency exchanges differ from those of assets traded on traditional securities exchanges? Do these characteristics warrant additional investor and consumer protections for cryptocurrency exchanges relative to those provided for traditional exchanges? 3. Describe the extent of the SEC's existing authority to regulate existing cryptocurrency exchanges like XRP. To what extent does that authority differ from the agency's authority over traditional securities exchanges? 4. Foreign regulators have moved to restrict cryptocurrency exchanges in their jurisdictions in recent years while calling for international coordination to address regulatory gaps. One specific regulatory challenge may arise from the unique organizational structure of some global exchanges. For example, Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world by trading volume, is everywhere and yet based nowhere. The cryptocurrency exchange has processed trillions of dollars in trades this year as it transfers digital and conventional money around the world through a constellation of affiliates. And yet it has no headquarters. In your view, to what extent is international coordination needed to address gaps in the regulation of cryptocurrency exchanges and ensure the protection of investors and consumers in the United States? 5. In a recent address, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, Commissioner Dan M. Berkowitz stated, "In a pure peer-to-peer DeFi system, here is no intermediary to monitor markets for fraud and manipulation, prevent money laundering, safeguard deposited funds, ensure counterparty performance, or make customers whole when processes fail. A system without intermediaries is a Hobbesian marketplace with each person looking out for themselves. Caveat emptor, let the buyer beware." Berkowitz further argues that DeFi derivative instruments are likely illegal under the Commodity Exchange Act. A. Do you agree with Commissioner Berkowitz's assessment of DeFi platforms? B. Do decentralized platforms raise similar investor and consumer? If so, what challenges does the SEC face in addressing these concerns? C. Do the characteristics of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges warrant additional investor and consumer protections relative to those needed for centralized cryptocurrency exchanges? An orchestrated power play by the government. The Twitter sphere is raising the alarm. calling this letter a chess move that aims to definitively offer the Securities and Exchange Commission authority over digital assets and its ecosystem. Gensler and Warren are uniquely close, and it is likely the SEC saw this letter before it was publicly sent, common practice among staffers, said Ron Hammond, Director of Government Relations at the Blockchain Association. James K. Phelan, an influential attorney close to the XRP community, went for the jugular. This is an orchestrated power play by the SEC for complete control of the crypto space. Senator Warren is giving XRP some support in questioning whether the SEC must control things. Here's the sex hook. And even though they share many features of traditional securities exchanges, such as bringing together buyers and sellers, executing trades, and displaying prices, cryptocurrency exchanges may be able to escape federal regulation if the digital asset being traded does not qualify as a security under federal law. Lack of clarity between SEC and CFTC. The lack of regulatory clarity in the emerging digital asset class in the United States has fueled many controversies throughout the years, with the latest being the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. There is still no clear understanding of what makes a cryptocurrency a security or not, and whether it should be regulated under the authority of the CFTC or the SEC. The Ripple lawsuit has been widely considered as an opportunity to finally make all questions go away. CFTC Commissioner Don D. Stump has publicly stated that the regulator is closely watching the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple. The question of whether XRP is a security will be crucial. Still, a digital asset doesn't have to be a security in order to the SEC press charges against a blockchain company, according to Crypto Mom, Commissioner Hester Pierce. As the SEC is getting closer to outflank the CFTC, the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, which tend to get more scrutiny from regulators, were analyzed by attorney Jeremy Hogan for their danger rating of being sued by the SEC. XRP price analysis. The failure of the bulls to propel XRP above the 20-day EMA, 68 cents, in the past few days shows that demand dries up at higher levels. Traders who were anticipating a break above the 20-day EMA seem to be liquidating their positions, resulting in a break below the 63-cent support. If bulls do not push and sustain the price above 63 cents quickly, the bears will try to capitalize on the advantage and pull the price below 58 cents. If they manage to do that, the XRP-USDT pair could drop to psychological support at 50 cents. A break below this level may result in panic selling. The next support on the downside is at the support line of the descending channel. This negative view will be nullified if the price turns up and breaks above 75 cents. That's what's been happening this week in the world of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to All Investments right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you enjoyed this edition of XRP Ripple news and price prediction, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's XRP Ripple news and price prediction by checking out our XRP playlist.